Thank you, sir. Moving on, I would like to invite on stage Akram Hassan Khan, the co-founder of Aghaz, to say a few words about it. Please give a big round of applause for Akram Hassan Khan.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akram Khan and I am third year electrical engineering student. Here I am to introduce you all with Aghaz, a step towards education. It is an initiative by the residents of Shah Sulaiman Hall which aims at providing free education to the needy, deserving and financially challenged students. First of all, I would like to put up a story of a boy whom we met during our journey of Aghaz. He studies in City High School and lives in a very crowded place in Aligarh city area. His father is no more and he is the only child. He gives home tuitions and whatever he earns from it, it is his family's only source of income. Let us put his name. His name is Muhammad Naushad, and I must tell you that he is a very hardworking and talented boy. He wants to become a successful engineer in future. These incidents motivated us to take further steps in this regard, since we all know that acquisition of quality education is today's need, but it is beyond the reach of majority of population. Thereby, many talented students are forced to leave their studies, mostly either after 8th class or after 10th. It is through the formulation of Aghaz that we can save such talent from dying. Let us know how all this began. We took a survey of backward areas of Aligarh and we got to know that there are many students who want to study further but could not continue, mostly due to poor family background. We also observed that most number of dropouts were after 10th class. So we thought that somehow if these students get admission in AMU, then it would be easier for them to continue their studies and make a better future. We selected these kinds of students and told them to prepare for a selected syllabus. And we took a test after a week of time to check their sincerity and devotion to the studies. We got a very positive response from them and we decided to teach them personally. As the 11th entrance exam is on 27th of April, we had only 1 month of time left. Due to constraint of time and lack of experience, we thought that it would be better to provide them with a sound coaching class, and we managed to admit 8 of our students in server classes and 5 of them in duty society, that too on a 100% discount. Apart from this, there were students who needed only a little bit of help, and for this we organized doubt clearing sessions on a regular basis. Apart from all these things, we also organized a book donation camp and collected books are being distributed among the needy students. We also plan to send some of our books in a public library in Gaya, Bihar. This all would not have been possible without the proper guidance and support of our provost, Dr. Muhammad Arif Sahab. We all are very thankful to him. Our future speculations are as follows. Provide regular coaching to the students of class 8 so as to make them efficient enough to clear the 9th entrance exam and get admission in AMU. Also to teach the students of class 9th and 10th regularly so as to strengthen their basics and maximize their chances of selection. We also plan to open up a primary school in near future. In the end, I would like to request you all for your valuable suggestions, precious guidance and blessings. Thank you. A pamphlet will be distributed in a short while. The details are in pamphlet. Thank you.